for this question, if you look at it, we are told that chord AB is bisected and chord CD is bisected. So when you've got a case where the diagram indicates that a chord is bisected, that's the converse of theorem 1. Okay? So your reason when you're doing calculation for this question, it should be line from center to midpoint of chord. Okay? Because we don't have any indication that the chord is perpendicular to the line which is passing through the center. Okay? That's the difference there. If there is no right angle sign, it means you don't know that the line which passes through the center is perpendicular to the chord. But in this case, the line is perpendicular to a chord. So use the converse. Okay? So, to read the whole story, given the length there, I'm going to put them on the diagram just to help me to do it. So AE is X, so that's X. Obviously, this will be X. BE will be X. And then CF is X minus 4, so that is X minus 4. Obviously, this will be X minus 4. Right? And EO is 7, I'll put 7 there. EF is 22, so the whole length from E to F is 22. So that's all length. Obviously, it means that from O to F, that will be 15. Okay? You must also use common sense when you are doing the questions. Right? Yeah. And don't be scared because you saw a diagram. Because some learners, from my experience, once they see a diagram like that, it's like the brain shuts down. Someone. Right? Don't be scared of the diagram. Right, so 5.1 says, prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay? Now, this question now is no longer circle geometry now. It's your knowledge from grade 10, which is required. Right? So, we need to prove that the two chords are what? Are parallel. Okay? Now, if you want to prove that the chords are parallel, there is more than one way, but I'm just going to do it the easier way. Okay? So we are going to determine that this angle here is 90 and that angle is 90. Okay? Then we call them what? Alternate angles. Right? Okay? Because we know that if angles are alternate, it means that they are equal. Therefore, we have two lines that are parallel. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do it. So, first thing I'll say AE, okay, AEF, this is an angle, so we are doing 5.1. Please be aware that we are not told that the line which passes through the center and the chord are perpendicular. Be aware of that. Okay, so we say AEF is equal to 90 degrees, then our reason is going to be the converse of theorem 1. So that would be line from center, okay, to midpoint of chord. Okay? As long as a line passes through the center of a circle, if it bisects a chord, it means that that line will be perpendicular to the chord. That's the converse of theorem 1. Right? Also, we can say angle EFG is also 90 degrees. And the reason is the same. Okay, line from center to midpoint of chord. Okay? Then you can say, therefore, okay, therefore. Now look here, we have got those two angles being equal, okay, and because of that we can say, therefore, AB is parallel to CD, and we give a reason and we say alternate angles equal. Okay? Remember, if you are trying to prove that the lines are parallel, your reason must be alternate angles equal, corresponding angles equal, or you can say co-interior angles supplementary. Okay? We are not told that the lines are parallel, but we are told that we need to prove that they are. Okay?
So could you do it by proving that both lines are perpendicular to a line that bisects them both? That's what we did. No, but I did it in a different way. I
Can you
didn't
come
do it
again?
like that.
Can you come again?
So okay, I proved that AEF is perpendicular to EF, and proved that CFE is perpendicular to EF.
That's what I did here.
Yeah, but I didn't say it like that. I said. Yeah, but I didn't say criteria. I just did that.
Okay. Yeah, it's the same as what I wrote. Yeah, it's just that the notation that you used, you didn't go via this way.
Yeah.
But now the question now is, if you wrote it the way that you did, what was your reason for saying those lines are what? Those lines are parallel.
I used. Oh, I didn't say it right.
Then you lose the mark. All right. Can I have your attention? For this question here, please be aware that if it was a test situation, right? The question is that prove that AB is parallel to CD. You have to give a reason why you are saying they are what? Those two lines are parallel. Why are they parallel? Right? I said I'll do it using alternate angles. Okay? My suggestion, like the way that you did, is correct. You said AE is perpendicular to EF. Now that's correct. And I think you said EF is perpendicular maybe to what? To CD or to FD. That's correct. But now when you get to a conclusion and say AB is parallel to CD, what is your reason?
I could have used co-interior.
You can use co-interior because this angle here is 90, that one is 90. So you can use co-interior as well. So co-interior angles are what? Supplementary. Which means you need to add these two and get 180 degrees. Then after that, you say AB is parallel to CD. Why? Co-interior angles what? Supplementary. Are you following that? Right? So this is the first part. Then let's move on to the next one. Diagram. So just give me a second.
It's so dark.
Is there? Can I ask you something? Is there anybody who has got a relative in Eastern Europe at the moment?
Eastern Europe, like England, United States. Oh wait, East.
Where there is a war. Is there anybody who has got a relative there? Shame. You know that there are some South Africans who were studying there and they were stuck there. Shame. I feel sorry. You know, I wonder what causes a person to want to kill another person. Serious. At the moment, I really don't have an answer for it. Because I'm even scared of killing a chicken. Seriously. Because if you were to ask people to come and sit down here and ask them, why are you killing these people? If you hear the reason, it's not worth it to kill someone. Alright, can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Alright, let's move on to 5.2. Now, we know that AB is parallel to CD. We have proved it. So let's carry on. 5.2. Okay, 5.2.